はじめまして、Terumi です。I would like to introduce you to real Japanese conversation, how we actually speak in Japan with friends, family, and others in various real daily life situations. When I moved to the States, I noticed people speak differently from what I learned English in Japan. Also, when I meet someone who speaks Japanese in America, some people speak beautifully, but most of the time I hear them speak differently from what native Japanese speakers speak in Japan. For example, Konnichiwa and Sayonara are very well-known Japanese words. But actually, we don't say much Konnichiwa, Sayonara in daily conversation, especially with someone who we meet often or daily, like a close friend, immediate family members, boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, or classmates. Of course, we would say konnichiwa and sayonara in certain situations, like for business or to the acquaintance or meeting a person for the first time. Also, when Japanese words introduced outside of Japan, they are accented differently, like Tokyo, Harajuku, karaoke. But actually, we put accents on the first syllable most of the time, like Tokyo, Harajuku, karaoke. I would like to focus on introducing real Japanese sounds, the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, along with the real way of usage examples in daily life situations. But not a by-the-book way, because I wanted to learn real authentic English, how people actually speak in America. So I figure you will like the same way. I hope you will learn something interesting information on my Japanese conversation with Terumi. よろしくお願いします。